Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can test for faulty speaker on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on battery and device care. Next, we go down and tap on diagnostics. In the diagnostics page, you want to swipe up to go down and tap on speaker. There's a first test the in-code speaker. Tap play and hold your phone close to your ear. So tap on play. So you can hear that the sound is quite loud. So yes, it is working. I'm going to choose yes. There's a next test the media speaker. Hold your phone up, face the screen, then tap the play button. So we can hear the sound coming out from the media speaker. So I'm going to choose yes. And so speakers are working normally. So there are two speakers that we have tested and they are both working correctly. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to device care or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.